Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello! Today in this video we will learn about name of birds. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. This is kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. This is hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. This is canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. This is woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. This is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. This is dove. D-O-V-E, dove. This is kite. K-I-T-E, kite. This is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. This is the fastest running bird. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. This is hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. This is macaw. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. This is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. This is owl. O-W-L, owl. It is swan. S-W-A-N, swan. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. Now this is cock. C-O-C-K, cock. This is sarus crane. S-A-R-U-S-C-R-A-N-E, sarus crane. This is turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.